right now we're about to go out and check on a property that we have a lot of traffic on. This is going to be one of the first nights we've actually hunted it, so we're going to see what we can do out there, but I don't think there's going to be much traffic tonight because it's been windy as hell, so we're going to go and try it. So the whole reason I haven't shot these pigs right here in this video is because this property owner hasn't given me permission to hunt them for him yet. I'm still in the works of getting that permission. Alright, so basically what just happened is we were back there and I wasn't able to get it on camera. These pigs came out maybe 20 feet in front of us, but they caught us off guard pretty good. So we're going to try to go around the other pasture and cut them off from the other side where my other game camera is. So I mean, hopefully we can get them tonight, but if not, we still got the rest of the weekend. So we're just getting back. We were out there from 7:30 to what time is it right now? It is 3 a.m. So we shot the one and only pig at 9:30, I want to say it was. And then so we dragged that one off, got prepared for the next few that we saw in the distance that were coming in, so we were hoping to get on those, but the fog began to roll in, so we kind of just decided to say screw it and just go ahead and go on home. But so this next month I'm going to be working all day for 30 days, so I'm not going to be doing much hunting, but hopefully after that, that'll give the pigs enough time to calm down, maybe come back into the feeding areas. So hopefully we get go ahead and get on that. But thanks for watching.